We about to go meet our driver. We're gonna be at the resort. And you say he at what, 10?
Yeah.
Cool. Feel just like Atlanta. Feel just like Atlanta, I swear. Sir, ski.
We'll go to Noble.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How far is it?
It'll take about 50-55 minutes.
Man, I swear, I ain't gonna lie. At this point, I thought we was at the resort because I kept seeing the sign, and we was just driving and driving and driving. Like, it felt like we never get there. We saw dirt, sand, beach, everything. Like, I don't know.
Leaving the airport, I was like not expecting it to look like that, honestly. I was like, we in the middle of the desert. But once we actually got there, though, like right then when we pulled up, I was like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
And even right here, we're still not there yet. Because you have to, like, check in, like, 2 different checkpoints. But I'm not going to lie, Nobu was probably, like, the best experience ever because it's, like, 50 minutes away from the airport, 30 minutes away from downtown, and everything else you would probably see in Nobu. But
it's worth it.
Yeah, for sure. It was about time to eat around this time. So what they say? Simon?
No, Simone.
Simon?
Which means yes, man. If y'all don't know,
I thought it meant what's up.
No, it means yes, man.
It don't.
Like yes.
So
Simone means
Simon. No, man.
We learned that word in Cabo, y'all.
Man, shout out to my boy Hector the Connector.
No, Petey Pablo taught us that.
He did. My bad, bro. Man, shout out to my concierge, man. Tonio, man. If y'all go there, man, y'all book with Tonio, man. Tonio was a real guy, man. He stand-up guy, make sure we had everything. Yeah, man, we out. We gonna let y'all, look at the video, whatever. Man, we out. Look at this. And I might not come back, y'all. Straight up. Promise you I might not come back.
So good. Oh, it feels so good. Where are you visiting us from? Oh, we're from Atlanta. Oh, really? It's so cool.
Yeah.
If you want to open the window, please feel free.
See, I think I open like this. Oh. And that wind hitting today, boy. It's crazy. You'll think it's hot here, man. It's cold. Sheesh, I have to keep my hoodie on. This is nice, though. This is really, really nice. Really, really nice. Yeah, man. That's all going. The shower. Closet. Yeah. Is this like a yeah. Oh, from here. So
A mirror. the big ones that are on the side or the ones in the infinity pool. And they have a cost, the ones in the infinity pool from 450 US dollars, and the other ones in Cordeli pool from 600. But besides that, they also have some options in the beach that you can use as well. We're getting better with the wind because when I arrived in February, it was cold.
This is your house amenity. It's a flour chips with also a rolling tomatillo toasted sauce, and aside is a aioli habanero.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
More light.
That is fire. It's fire.
Mine is too.
Fire.
Oh yeah. I think I like yours better.
No, I like mine. You feel me? You like your own.
It's a little. No, I take it back. Yes, it is. It is.
I'll let y'all see. Drinks. Appetizer. So we gonna see what this one do. I already do the spicy, but we're gonna see what's going on.
It's good though.
I like these chips. It's real spicy.
No. That's a tiny bit.
That ain't salt.
You still hungry?
Fire. Fire.
See, it's just a little kick.
What's this? Is this food?
His handmade chocolate filled with coconut mousse, balanced with a twist of yuzu,
I'm about to touch it.
and the essential of Japanese cuisine, and the sweetness of Kent mango.
1, 2. Hold on. I can't even get this shit off. I can't get it off. I can't get it off. Okay,
Come
wait.
on.
Oh shit. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think.
I like it. You like it?
This shit's straight, man.
I mean,
We're gonna try
I'm
this.
used to the texture, but
We're gonna try another. What's it? What's this little shit right here? What it do? Crack?
it's just chocolate.
The fuck is this? Crack?
It's like crumbled up chocolate.
That's crack? I'm try one more. Let's see if I like this shit. That's what it look like. I don't know if y'all can see this or not.
That one tastes a little bit. I think it has some mango.
Yep.
Got the seasonal fruit, the chicken, sausage, bacon, the heart waffle. Got the breakfast burrito, chalazzi, cappuccino, the jam, whipped cream, and syrup for our breakfast. We are at Malibu. How you like Malibu?
I love it.
Favorite breakfast spot in Cabo.
Do I have on this hoodie? Bro, it is cold, bro. I have no idea it was gonna be this cold. Let's see. Barton. This is right here.
Island. Gonna take you out to the beach though. What's up, bro? You with your shorty? For sure. Respect, respect. You got that gas, huh? Yeah, for sure. I'm good, bruh. Set the connector. For sure. What you say your name is, bro?
My name is Hector the Connector.
Hey.
I got it.
He got it. You feel me?
420.
You feel me? The plug here. You feel me?
Oh!
You feel me? Me and Set the Connector finna get out there and take over the streets. You feel me? All right, thank you, bruh. Bro, I don't smoke with you, bro. Let's see what this nigga got, man. This nigga keep trying to sell me to me. He got that gas. Ain't no gas, bro. I'm gonna let people at home see what you got, man. They might shop with you.
That's a nice bike. Look at that one too. I got like this too. Look. I got you Mexican bike, brother. Look at that one too.
Alright, that's enough for me. I'm a nigga, I can't swim. That's enough for me. Got close enough. Hey man, if y'all ain't like that shot, y'all go to hell. Thank you. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, she needs extra large. Look, extra large. I think it's an extra large for you.
Yeah. My brain.
Hey, for you?
He probably
You can try this. Yeah, I think it's good for you. How do you feel? Good, good?
Going on the water.
Gonna go crazy. How do you feel? Good?
That's what I'm saying. Maybe half a
Okay.
there you go.
Good. Perfect. Okay. Good. Just one. About to get big. It's finna go crazy, yo. I got the fastest one you can get. It was like 450 additional. I'm gonna say probably about 7,000 pesos. Okay, that's it first. So you have a little part on that way. Okay, this one right here. Which I don't even say. Alright, so that's where the level. You have reverse, neutral, and high. Okay? You go on high all the time. Okay? All the time high. Alright? Perfect. So in this moment just wait for me. I'm gonna bring my ATV right here and let's stop. Okay? Ready?
Here we go, y'all. I can't hear you.
Thank you. we're at Nobu.
Noble.
Yeah.
It's a good place, no?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I'll definitely be back.
Yeah. I've
So you
never
should-
been there in that hotel, but some people tell me the Noble, it's good.
Yeah.
Come on.
So cute.
Coyerito.
Hey.
How are you? What happened to you?
I don't know what that means.
He say hello.
Hey.
What's up?
So how you rate my driving from 1 to 10?
I think it was a 10. He did pretty good.
You the professional.
How you rate my driving? How good did I do? From 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10?
1 to 10.
For me?
Huh?
10.
Oh, I did 10. See,
11.
see, that's where Atlanta traffic helps. Oh.
Paparazzi.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take some pictures with this camera
He's
right
George.
here.
Okay.
Please
Alright.
follow me guys.
That is a chocolate. Okay. Do you want a chocolate?
You said I want a chocolate?
Oh no.
I don't think I need that type chocolate.
Careful with this.
He said we're gonna take a picture with a camera. Dang, they put a view right there. Hi guys, this lady here. This lady here is Sabrina. She likes to be just right here, just to be chill, just to enjoy the view, right? So by this moment, you're gonna pause next to Sabrina. You can be closer. I don't know if you wanna put a hand right here. I don't recommend you to touch the head, the eyes, nothing like this, because she's gonna try to kick
Okay.
you with it. So if we do touch her, where do we touch her? Do we touch her like right here? Yes, the body, yes, the knee, like this, but not on this part. 'Cause
Okay.
she's gonna, it's gonna look at your way, but on this way.
Yeah.
Okay.